video, I'll be teaching you how to make money online selling beat. Not just selling beat, but you can also buy beat from this particular platform. Look at it to sell beat here, and you can also buy beat from this particular platform. The beauty of it is, just watch. You have the opportunity, if you are using the link in the description box, to upload up to 20 beats for free without any commission or any other charges. Then when you upgrade, by the time you start making enough money, you can start going for the paid plan, which will give you another additional option. And one additional thing there is, you need to know there is, you need to worry yourself about how you withdraw your money, because look at it here. You have option for PayPal, ACH. This ACH is talking about having a dollar account. I've already have a video on this channel where I talked about how to make a dollar account. You can see paper check and the rest of them, wire transfer, very flexible. That means if you are anywhere in the world, you have the opportunity of getting your money into your bank account. All you have to do is click in the link in the description box of this video. You'll be given the opportunity to sign up using this particular place. You put in your name, email, username, pick a password, and the rest of them. Once you are done, I'm going to show you what the sample of a beat look like. This is sample of a beat that we are going to be uploading in this particular platform. Remember, the internet is for value exchange. If you can build yourself as a value provider, trust me, you will make money just the way you see me posting this particular channel. And if you are following me detailed step by step, trust me, you will never have any cause to regret the time you are spending on this internet. It's better you spend your time wisely than to waste it chasing money that doesn't exist. Build yourself to add value where you, at the end, you get value in return. Take a look at this. Yes, this beat look very familiar, like the sound of some of these top trending artists, especially the case of Post Malone and the rest of them, even Chris Brown. Imagine Chris Brown coming to meet me that he wants this beat. Guess what? That would be a game changer for me. So rather than waste your time looking for money that doesn't exist, take advantage of this internet space to connect with people that are looking for such value. By the time you are done putting all these things, you get to have your file like this. You export it. When you export it, it's going to look something like this. This is the audio file. This is the audio file here, and then this is the stems. When I open the stems, you get to see them. When we talk about stems, look at them. They are individual sounds. We are talking about these individual sounds here. How do you get to do it here? All you have to do is you go to your file at the top right left corner. You click export. By the time you click export, you click save. Select wave. Then whenever you select wave, you pick the file name that you want. Take for example in this one, I'll put 3. Just for demo purpose. Once I'm done, I'll pick wave. Then if you want to export it as a full track, you remove this particular point and then you click export. If you want to export it as stem, you click on this particular part and click export. This stem will just give you the individual sounds. This individual sounds like this, just the way I showed you earlier. So let's continue with the process. So after filling your name and other options, you get to put this particular point that says sales beat. Then you click sign up. Don't forget, the link in the description box will bring you automatically to this page to enjoy the free 20% option you have for startup. You can see at this point I've created an account. Within few minutes, look at it, the account is ready. It's giving me all the options and how I can go around with it. Remember, when you are providing value on the internet space, it gives you the opportunity to make money. You can see where it says sales beat here. Within the next few minutes, we are going to be selling our beat. When I click sell beat, we get to see it. So you can actually see select free. Pick on the free. Don't worry, you are using my own link. It's going to bring you automatically. You don't need to stress yourself. You click start. You see, it's giving me the procedure. Click next. So you can see it's telling me, let's make sure you get paid. So it's asking for my PayPal account. Don't worry, you have option for other this. You can click skip, continue licensing your personal beat store, continue, finish the setup. So it's already welcoming me now. So in this case, I want to start selling beat. You say start selling beat. I say yes. I say go. So you can see my page is fully open, well prepared. Wow, very good. So the next thing we'll do is we will now go to our dashboard where we will start selling our beat. How do you do that? So while you're on this particular environment on your initial sign up, look at the dashboard. So you come down, you get to see new beat. You click new beat. If you already have an existing beat store, you just click manage. But in this case, you are new, so you click on new beat. You see everything is showing now. All we want to do is we are going to be adding our beat. What do? We click on new. We click new here. You see I have 0 for now. You see, they say drag on tag wave file or mp3. All I have to do is I'll go back to that folder I showed you earlier. So I'm already sure of the sound. Let me play it again to confirm. I'm very sure of the sound. I'll just drag it from here. Remember, it's a WAV file. Drag it and drop. You see, it's automatically uploading. Within few minutes, we'll be done. So while it is uploading, we'll come back to this very same place. This is our second folder, which contains our stems. I'm going to play one of the stems for you to get to see what I'm talking about when I'm referring to stems. So we'll pick this very one. Let's pick any one. For those who don't know what stems look like. So this is a sample of a stem. It's talking about the individual elements that are used in making the beat. That means those individual sounds, like the sound of the drum, the keyboard, the piano, the melodies, and the rest of them. Or it can be even the vocals only. So this is what it looked like. So I'm going to zip it now. So this is a practical example of what these stems look like. You can see it's telling us the individual element. This is hitter, this is the current, this is fruiter, this is hip hop, this is master, this is morphine, this is pure heaven, and the rest of them. So it's telling us the individual sound as I showed you from this, which is this. You can see them individually, these individual sounds. So we are going to zip it now. So this is it. I'll right click on it. All I have to do is I'll click on press zip. Less than